Hello fellow Techonauts, my name is Glenn Leader and I'll be your teacher throughout the whole of this course in one of our computer subjects. The subject we're tackling on this course is 3D design using free CAD software. Now CAD stands for Computer Aided Design. If we open it up a little bit, you'll see that we have 6 lessons. Just scroll it to the middle a bit more. We have the introductory lesson, which is what we'll be doing today. Then we'll have TinkerCAD tools, which is our second lesson. TinkerCAD will be the software that we'll be using throughout the whole of this course. It is free to use software. You don't need to download it and install it on your computer or your tablet. The only thing you do need to do, because it is an online tool, is you actually need to be online as well. Then in lesson 3 we'll be combining basic objects and making something a little bit more complicated. In lesson 4 we'll be designing something useful. It says make there, but we'll be designing something useful that we'll be using in lesson 5, introduction to 3D printing. I'll be showing you one of my 3D printers. This is my favourite one. This is one I'm using most of the time. Then in lesson 6 we'll be discussing your project. If you're one of my personal students, then you would have an email explaining how to get your design work to me from lesson 4. You will then have the design criteria in lesson 6 and you'll know what to do. So in today's lesson we'll have 2 more videos. This video, which is the basic introduction, then we'll be looking at what 3D actually is, and then we'll have an introduction to TinkerCAD, and I'll go into more detail when we cover that particular section of the lesson. So without further ado, let's get started.